Good morning students. In the last lecture we have studied the different methods to determine order of a reaction. In that we have studied the first method, that is integrated rate law method. In this lecture we will study the second method, that is graphical method. So advantage of this method is that in one graph both reaction order and rate constant can be calculated. Means by plotting the graph we can calculate the reaction order and rate constant, both can be calculated. So the integrated rate law expressions of different order, that is first order, second order or third order or zero order, of different orders can be arranged in terms of straight line. We have already studied the different integrated rate laws for zero order, first order and second order, and that all we have obtained as a arranged in terms of straight line. That is, equation is y is equal to mx plus c in terms of straight line. So first is a zero order. So zero order reaction. So what was the equation of zero order reaction? In the book the different form of zero order is given. So we will, in the next lecture we will study the zero order reaction, the integrated equation for zero order reaction. So x is equal to k0 into t. This is the equation given in the book for zero order reaction. For first order reaction, what was the equation? For first order reaction we have already studied the integrated equations for first order. For first order it was log of a minus x is equal to minus k upon 2.303 minus k or k1 that is first order. So it is given k1 upon 2.303 plus log a. For second order, what was the equation? For second order reaction, the equation was 1 upon a minus x is equal to k2 into t. K2 is the rate constant for second order reaction, plus 1 upon a. This was the case for equal initial concentration. We have already studied the two cases for equal initial concentration. The equation was 1 upon a minus x, k2 into t plus 1 upon a. Then next the equation for unequal initial concentration, what was that? Log of a minus x upon b minus x. Log of a minus x upon b minus x is equal to k2 into a minus b divided by 2.303 minus log of b upon a. This was the equation for unequal initial concentration. So next is the third order reaction. For third order reaction, this is not in your syllabus. Third order reaction, you will study this third order reaction in TYBSc. For third order reaction, the equation is 1 upon a minus x square. You have to remember this equation is equal to twice k3 plus 1 upon A square. This is for equal initial concentration. For equal initial concentration. Equal initial concentration. So these are the different equations for zero order, first order, second order, for second order, for equal initial concentration, for unequal initial concentration, and for third order reaction. So if X is plotted against T for first, that is zero order reaction. If X is plotted against T, if X is plotted against T, X is plotted against T, so graph is a straight line, graph is a straight line, graph is a straight line passing through origin, passing through origin, and indicates that it is a zero order reaction, zero order reaction. Because what was the equation for zero order? As we have studied, X is equal to K0 into T. So this is the equation for, this is the graph for zero order. X against time T, graph is a straight line passing through origin, having slope is equal to K0. K0 is the rate constant for the zero order reaction. Secondly, if we plot, if log of A minus X is plotted against time, is plotted against time. So again straight line is obtained, again straight line is obtained, straight line is obtained. So if we plot log of A minus X versus time T, if we plot log of A minus X versus time T, so this is a straight line with negative slope. Slope is equal to minus K1 upon 2.303, and intercept is equal to, this y-intercept is equal to, this y-intercept is equal to log of A. So from this we can say that this is a straight line with negative slope. So this is the first order reaction. We have already studied these graphs, first order reaction. So it is a first order reaction. Then if we plot, if 1 upon A minus X, 1 upon A minus X is plotted against, T, against time T, again we got a straight line. Again straight line is obtained, and this straight line indicates that this is a second order reaction. Second order reaction. We have already studied this also. So if we plot 1 upon A minus X versus time, 1 upon A minus X versus time, so we got a straight line having slope is equal to K2, and intercept is equal to, log of, intercept is equal to 1 upon A, not log, only 1 upon, intercept is equal to 1 upon A. So from that we can say that this is a second order reaction. So if X is plotted against T, we got a straight line passing through origin. Then we can say that this reaction is a zero order reaction. From the nature of graph, we can say that this is a zero order reaction having slope is equal to K0, and from the K0 we can calculate the rate constant for the zero order reaction. If log of A minus X is plotted against T, then we got a straight line with negative slope, then we can say that this is a first order reaction. And again if we plot 1 upon a minus x versus time, we again got a straight line with positive slope, and with y-intercept is equal to 1 upon a, and we can say that this is a second order reaction. So from the plotting the graph, we can determine what is the order of reaction. Again if we plot if log of a minus x upon b minus x is plotted against time, this was the case for unequal initial concentration for second order reaction. We have already studied this case also. Log of a minus x upon b minus x is plotted against time t. So we can also again say that this is a second order reaction, and we got straight line. Second order reaction and straight line. So we can say that this is a second order reaction. So what is the plot for this? Log of a minus x upon b minus x versus time is plotted. We got a straight line having slope is equal to, what was the slope? We have already studied the case of unequal initial concentration. Slope is equal to k into a minus b divided by 2.303, and intercept is equal to, what was the y-intercept? That is equal to minus log of b upon a. That was a negative intercept. So from that we can say that this reaction is a second order reaction. And last case was for the third order reaction. If 1 upon a minus x square, if 1 upon a minus x bracket square is plotted against t, we again got a straight line, and we can say that from this we can say that straight line, and we can say that this is a third order reaction. So what is the plot of for this? If 1 upon a minus x square, 1 upon a minus x bracket square is plotted against time t, we got a straight line having slope is equal to twice k3. So k3 is the rate constant for third order reaction. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is equal to 1 upon a square. So from this, the nature of graph indicates the order of reaction. If the straight line having slope is equal to k2 into a minus b upon 2.303, we can say that this is a second order reaction. If 1 upon a minus x square is plotted against the time, if we got the straight line and the slope is equal to twice k3, we can say that this is a third order reaction. So from the nature of graph, we can determine the order of reaction. In the next lecture, we will study the third method to determine order of a reaction.